In the video tutorial, this time, I will explain. Case study of use. Operator assignment. In Python programming. Well, here I've made variable that I named the price. Well, I'll fill it 10,000. Then this discount I filled with 10% discount. That 10% means 10 divided by 100. Well, that's the discount, yeah. I don't use percent, but I'm sharing 10 divided by 100. Well, for the price, I still use the price variable. I'm not adding any new variables. So, if the discount is 10%, 10 divided by 100, that is 0.1, multiplied by the price, which is 10,000, to 1,000, so the discount is 1,000. So how much does it cost? 1,000 minus discount earlier. 10,000 minus 1,000 earlier means 9,000. It will be later the price. How to make it? Easy enough, yeah guys. We keep using the same variable is the price variable. Just make it like this. Then, to find the discount was discount multiplied price, discount multiplied by the price. Yeah, like that. Discount multiplied by any price. Okay. Then this variables we replace. Nah. We keep using the same variable, yeah. The same variable, not we add new variables. So later on, after getting this discount, then to get the price, then the price is deducted discount. The result should be 9,000. Let's see. We run here. Yes, the result is 9,000. It turns out right. So, you can just change it later. How much do you want the price? How much discount do you want? Automatic later will be obtained. Price after. Get a discount, yeah. So, it's pretty easy. Easy enough, hopefully. This tutorial is useful. Thank you.